It is the 26th of August 2026, and this is today's Spanish A0 to A1 beginner class from LinguaWire, made from real news stories. This class is a podcast and a video lesson, both on linguawire.com, linked below.
Today's main story is about SpaceX cutting back its launches from Florida and sending more flights from California. First, there are 3 other stories from today's front page, and you can read all of them on linguawire.com.
First, el gobierno del Reino Unido anuncia fondos para viviendas en Inglaterra.
The UK government announces funding for homes in England. The verb anuncia comes from anunciar, meaning to announce. It is a very useful news verb.
Next, Celtic cae ante LASK en Austria.
Celtic loses to LASK in Austria. The word ante means before or against here, and in sport headlines it often means against. A short headline, but a very unhappy one if you are Celtic.
And muere Dolly Parton, estrella del country de Estados Unidos, a los 80 años.
Dolly Parton, the U.S. country star, dies at the age of 80. The pronunciation point here is muere. The written keeps the strong sound on the.
Now time for today's main story. Here is today's headline. SpaceX recorta sus vuelos desde Florida. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand.
SpaceX
recorta
cuts back
sus vuelos
its flights
desde Florida.
from Florida.
The headline uses the present tense, recorta, for a current change, which is very common in New Spanish.
Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet.
La empresa dice que espera Starship para empezar allí.
The company says that it expects Starship to start there.
Un vuelo de Falcon 9 salió el martes desde Cape Canaveral.
A Falcon 9 flight left on Tuesday from Cape Canaveral. The verb salió comes from salir, meaning to leave or go out. Here it tells us the flight departed.
Era la última misión de Starlink prevista desde ese lugar por ahora.
It was the last planned Starlink mission from that place for now.
En Florida, los lanzamientos pueden bajar de 8 o 9 al mes a unos 2 al mes.
In Florida, the launches can fall from 8 or 9 a month to about 2 a month. Pueden comes from poder, meaning can or be able to. It shows possibility here.
Desde enero, SpaceX ha hecho más vuelos desde Vandenberg, en California.
Since January, SpaceX has made more flights from Vandenberg in California.
Now for the verb of the day. Bajar. In English, that means to reduce, to go down. Here it is in the present tense. Yo bajo. Tú bajas. Él, ella, usted baja. Nosotros, nosotras bajamos. Vosotros, vosotras bajáis. Ellos, ellas, ustedes bajan.
Here's a normal everyday example. Yo bajo la música por la noche. In English, I turn down the music at night.
One last time at full speed. SpaceX recorta sus vuelos desde Florida. Now you... Before you go, one question from today's story. ¿Cuántos lanzamientos puede haber al mes en Florida después del cambio?
That is, how many launches can there be per month in Florida after the change? ¿Cuántos? Counts things you can count one by one. Here it is in everyday Spanish. ¿Cuántos hermanos tienes? How many brothers do you have?
Is it A? Unos 2 al mes. Unos 20 al mes. Or C? Uno al año.
Think about it. For the answer, 2 more knowledge check questions and today's full lesson sheet, visit the class page linked below. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.